All right, my people, this morning, let's talk about Igbanke people and the governor, and again, the senator from that side. What do we want to talk about Igbanke people and the governor? Now, very simple thing. The governor of Edo State don't come out, they make mouth, say no land of Edo go enter Anioma State when they go create.
Edo State is unequivocal in its demand that no portion of the territory of the present Edo State should be carved out to join other portions of other states for purposing of creating a new state for any group of individuals. It will distort our traditional boundaries, history, and ancestry.
Before I talk anything, I want to ask the governor one question, because he talked this thing through the attorney general of the state. This thing where he talks, so make I ask you, when did they create Edo State, they do land adjustments. You did there. They seek your permission. If federal government won't create state today, or as a create state finish, they won't do land adjustment, boundary adjustment. Now you when just enter a few years ago now you go stop federal government from doing that. All the ones when they create before they carve Igbanke put for now talk say Igbanke must be part of it. Why you not want to make Igbanke people go? And yet now they do anything for Igbanke people, because una believe say they're not be una people, they be Igbo people. Igbanke not get una traditional leadership style. Igbanke people get Igbo traditional leadership style. You hear them? Igbanke not be Bini people, they not be Edo people. And make I ask you, so all this cry when Igbanke people they cry for marginalization, you know they hear and since. You won't be governor, make I ask you, which local government chairman don't ever come out from Igbanke? Which House of Assembly member don't ever come out from Igbanke? Which House of Rep member don't ever come out from Igbanke? Which governor of the state don't ever come out from Igbanke? What do you they do as a governor of Igbanke people? Why you not want me they go? See, you not form like Pharaoh, those state governor. Now you are the tell. Not form like Pharaoh unless you go see the same thing where they talk say Pharaoh let my people go. Una not they do anything for them. Now, Una rep don't go where they do public hearing. They talk anyhow. They are telling us that Ned will go come tell the Igbanke people say he won't carry them go join Anioma State. Igbanke people don't suffer for una hand where they know say Una with them not be the same set of people. They don't see opportunity say now they won't create Anioma State. May they come and have them put back for their brothers. When they know say they no go despise them, when they know say they no go marginalize them. Now they say land adjustment, boundary adjustment, now make them they where they day today with now. Unless Una know by ancestry, Una not connect together. All these Bini people make Una take time for what Una they do. Even then some people, when they inside they do, they won't be they stay on their own, away from Una. Because Una not too good for character. Una not they do anything for these people. These people are willing to live. Una not they watch social media, una they see where Igbanke people they come out, they talk everywhere, they chat everywhere, say they not be Edo people, they not be Bini people. Say they be Igbo people, they be Igbo lineage. And they want me to carve back Igbanke to Anioma State when they won't create so. You when the governor will come. Now their interest in the protect have been at your own interest. Federal government go listen to waiting the people talk. As far as they don't talk, now waiting the people talk, now government go listen to. Not be waiting you, the governor talk. Okay, can Nigeria was and then I saw anywhere you are. Can they do no Budo Igbo? Can they do in Nigeria? Can they do in Africa now? Konopusa. Everywhere, let come online protest. Igbanke boom when Igbanke Igbanke is our brothers. They are our brothers and sisters in that place that have been marginalized for long. Eleven in Anioma freedom, freedom Jeka Dani Igbanke. Igbanke naka now, Igbanke JKJ, Igbanke Aduana Edo. I create state in there. I can be made if I want to say boundary adjustment and we made boundary adjustment. Igbanke Kadina Anioma State. Igbanke de Kadina Anioma State. Obo Edo State. Onunde Bini, all this ile Bini, make una go lead una Bini now. Lead una Bini people. Abi as una monarch dey, na so Igbanke people monarch dey. When una try to suspend them, it work. You know work. Now wetin I get to tell una this morning be that one. Make una get sense so. Osomu Igbo, ebene yadine, Anambra, Imo, Ebonyi, Ipetie support. Ka support ndị Igbanke. Igbanke puni Edo State, ya bana Anioma State. Igbo kwenu, kwenu, wezuenu.